Hello and welcome back everyone to my island in the sun. Thank you for tuning into A Taste of St. Martin. Today we have potato salad on the menu. This incredible potato salad is creamy and tasty. The ingredients that I'm going to use today: I washed my potatoes, peeled and diced them. I have some different chopped colored bell peppers, white onions, celery, some mixed vegetables, and a little bit of sugar. The sugar is optional, but I do add some in my potato salad. Add some pre-boiled water to your potatoes. It accelerates the cooking process. Then add some salt to taste and cook until tender. Go ahead and add some salt to your mixed vegetable to taste. Then add some of your pre-boiled water, stir and cook until tender. Check your potatoes for tenderness. This is the texture that you're looking for. Once tender, go ahead and drain your potatoes. I'm draining my vegetables. Then go ahead and check for tenderness. Go ahead and start assembling your ingredients. Add your vegetables to your potatoes and then all of your bell peppers. Then some of your onions. And then go ahead and add your celery as well. At this point, you want to add some black pepper also to your mixture. And then you want to add some sugar to it. Of course, like I said, this is optional. And go ahead and start stirring all of your ingredients thoroughly. Then go ahead and add some mayo as well to your ingredients. And some adobo. Go ahead and continue thoroughly mixing all of your ingredients together. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and add some chopped boiled eggs. Continue thoroughly mixing your ingredients together. This is a simple and quick dish to make. I hope you guys decide to try this dish. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Remember, a link for the full recipe will be provided in the description below. Until next time, always progressing, always cooking.